Meaning of inadvertent.
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 Inadvertent. The term inadvertent refers to an action or event that occurs unintentionally or without awareness. It often implies negligence, carelessness, or a lack of attention. Inadvertent actions may result in unintended consequences, which can range in severity from minor to significant. Such consequences can include harm to oneself or others, damage to property or relationships, or negative impacts on one's reputation or career. Inadvertent mistakes can happen in many different contexts, including personal relationships, work settings, and everyday life. However, taking steps to avoid such mistakes can minimize their impact and prevent future errors.